Welcome back to Home Decor Hub. Wooden lighting can add back the charm to your home interior. It enhances the look of your furnishing and increase the aesthetic appeal by setting the mood in your humble abode. One important element of such wooden lighting is wall lights. Wall lights and zones are perfect for ambitious tasks as well as ancient lighting. However, these are often underestimated despite their functionality and versatility. It is thus vital to explore the advantages of this underrated form of light. Brighter wooden wall lights can be used as a focal point in the room, while softer version can be used for mood lighting. In fact, wall lighting can be used for all three types of lighting: ambitions lighting, task lighting, and action lighting. A wall light can be used for functional tasks, light by placing these strategically beside bathroom mirror to increase illumination and eliminate shadow cast by overhead lights. Moreover, an adjustable one can also be fixed beside your sofas or beside for a reading purpose. When it comes to ambition lighting, wall lamps and scones with soft and subtle vibrance can be used to set the mood in a living space. This will help to uplift the atmosphere of any room and amplify the warmth of your interiors. Wooden wall lamps assist in accent lighting by highlighting certain elements or spaces in your home. This can increase safety by illuminating darker space as well as staircases and can augment the allure of your interior by bringing out elegant and interesting effects such as beautiful painting, a showpiece or more in your adobe. By living movie wall lighting is a great product for this purpose. In bathroom, this can be placed next to the mirror in order to illuminate your face without shadows. In a dining room, wall lights can be used to focus on table to make food look more appetizing while foregoing the glare of overhead lights.